Alright, so this time we're talking about the batteries. So you have a big battery for the drone, and then the little battery. These will be used for the remote. The remote can also take AA batteries, but they will go through AA batteries like drinking coffee on a Saturday morning really fast. So I recommend, and I've sent you the link to get the little batteries. And the batteries, obviously, it's pretty simple. For the remote, there's a little hatch on the back, and there's a little plug that the battery will fit in, and it'll fit nicely in the little compartment, and then you can put it back. So a couple other buttons I was talking about, I forgot to talk about on the remote. It has to do with video and camera. So there's two buttons. There's a button there and a button there. So the button on the left allows you to take a picture whenever the drone is in flight. So you just press the button and it'll take a picture. And then the button on the right is for video. So you press the button once, the video starts. Then you press the button again and the video stops. And it will tell you on the top of the remote, which we'll show in a minute, like how long you've been flying and how much time is left or space is left or pictures are left on the SD card, which is right down here. So that's the battery for the remote, and this is the battery for the drone. So the way the battery goes in, pretty easy. Open up the little hatch in the back, and then what I always do is you can see that the connector for the drone is on the right, so you can see the battery has connectors on one side or the other. So what I like to do is I like to put the battery in with the connector on the opposite side that the connector is for the drone, is it just gives you a little more room to be able to put the battery in. So you put the battery in the little slot, and the connectors, they can only go in one way. So you can see there's like a round, and then this one has a flat. And then on this part, there's round and flat. So it can only go in one way. Okay, so that's the batteries. That's to talk about the batteries. Next, what we'll do is we'll connect up the drone, and then we'll look at some displays that once the drone is connected and what it looks like on the remote.